Hello friends, welcome to Technique. Today, as you can see in front of the camera, that I have got Audio Technica's M50x headphone. This is a quality headphone which is mostly used at the various media centers like radio jockeys and such places use mostly these kind of headphones. Let's see, unbox this one, and let's see what we are going to get inside it. So let's start here. This is the packet. The details you can read here. Yeah. Now to unbox this, open it from this side. It goes smoothly or nicely packed. Then we remove this one, and then here are the manuals. This is the headphone. This is not exactly the wireless one, because you get the wire also in this cap. The one option is with this connector 3.5 mm jack, which you can use in your various smartphones, and another this one. These are mostly used by the media industry people, especially the radio jockeys uses such kind of pins, and this makes it very beautiful. So, and this wire is for the home uses. The jack, you can see the jack here. Yeah, here, as you can clearly see that it is 3.5 mm jack, so it is going to work with your smartphones and others. So the quality of the music is awesome, there isn't any doubt on this. And where you have to plug in this one, here is the connection option. Here at this point you have to plug it, and then you can hear the music as you want. The quality music, I would say. It has the noise cancellation thing in it, which is making it very special and very preferred headphone in the industry. And mostly it is widely used at the industrial level. The radio jockeys, other jockeys, video jockeys use such kind of headphones to communicate, to listen to the music, and to hear to communicate with their customers as well, listeners as well. And the price in the Indian market is around 12,000 plus or somewhere around there, and you can get it on various online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Paytm and others. So if you have any query regarding this, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.